Once upon a time, in a magical land called Luminara, there existed a hidden valley where the rainbow-breathed unicorns roamed freely. These unicorns were no ordinary creatures. They were the guardians of joy and harmony, each with a unique color that represented different virtues. Red for courage, blue for wisdom, green for kindness, and yellow for happiness. The unicorns lived peacefully, bringing joy to every corner of Luminara. Their vibrant colors filled the valley with light, and their laughter echoed through the land. The animals, trees, and flowers all flourished in the presence of the unicorns. But one fateful day, a dark cloud descended upon Luminara, casting shadows over the valley. The once vibrant land turned dull, and the unicorns' colors began to fade. As the land grew darker and colder, the unicorns began to lose their strength. The joy and harmony that once thrived in Luminara began to slip away, and the creatures of the valley felt hopeless. The unicorns gathered at the base of the rainbow bridge, a shimmering arch that connected their world to the realm of dreams. The bridge, once radiant and full of life, now appeared faint and almost invisible, as though it too had been affected by the dark cloud. Determined to restore their colors and bring back the joy of Luminara, the unicorns made a brave decision. They would embark on a quest to find the lost crystal of light, a powerful gemstone hidden deep within the cave of echoes. This crystal had the ability to restore their brilliance and chase away the darkness. The unicorns set out on their journey, each using their unique feature to face the challenges ahead. Red, filled with courage, faced the fierce winds that hollowed through the mountains. Blue, wise and thoughtful, solved riddles posed by a wise old owl guarding the forest. Green, kind and compassionate, helped a lost creature find its way home. And yellow, with an infectious laugh, spread joy and lifted the spirits of everyone they met. As the day passed, the unicorns faced many more challenges. They crossed rivers, scaled mountains, and ventured through dark forests. Along the way, they made new friends and learned valuable lessons about friendship, bravery, and the importance of helping others. Even when they were tired and the journey seemed endless, they reminded each other of their mission and pressed on. After a long and tiring journey, the unicorns finally reached the cave of echoes. The entrance was guarded by an ancient stones that hummed with mystery. Inside the cave, the crystal of light lay upon the pedestal, glowing faintly in the dark. But the moment they approached the crystal, a gust of wind knocked it from its place and rolled into a dark corner of the cave. With no time to lose, the unicorns worked together to retrieve the crystal. Red's courage led the way as he faced the gusts of wind. Blue's wisdom helped them solve the puzzles of the cave's shifting walls. Green's kindness allowed them to calm the cave's frightened creatures. And yellow laughter lifted their spirits as they faced one challenge after another. Finally, together, they retrieved the crystal of light. A burst of brilliant light filled the cave, and as they returned to the rainbow bridge, the colors of the unicorns began to shine brighter than ever before. The land of Luminara was bathed in warm, golden glow, and the once dark cloud was swept away, revealing a bright and beautiful sky. The valley came alive again, with flowers blooming and creatures dancing in joy. The unicorn's colors shone as brightly as ever, and the people of Luminara celebrated their return. The rainbow bridge once again became a symbol of hope and unity. From that day on, the unicorns continued to protect the valley, reminding everyone that together they could overcome any darkness. Moral of the story: when we face challenges, our unique qualities can help us overcome the toughest obstacles. By working together and supporting one another, we can bring back light, joy, and harmony to the world. No matter how dark it may seem, unity, kindness, and bravery will always lead us to brighter days. Thank you so much for watching our story. We hope you enjoyed the adventure of the Rainbow Bridge unicorns and their magical journey. Your support means the world to us, and we are so grateful to have you as the part of our community. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Little Story Explorers for more fun, heartwarming, and enchanting tales. See you in the next adventure.